Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I'm like mid makeup right now. I'm filming another video at the same time. It's actually a review of the Sleek foundation. I've reviewed the Live Proof foundation, which is their medium to full coverage foundation, and I've showed you 5 different shades. I'm actually wearing 2 of them right now. So if you guys are loving this base, then be sure to click the link in the description box and it will take you to the review of that video, and then you can watch this one before or after, like it's up to you. But today's video I'm going to be reviewing some Sleek makeup palettes, so I'm super excited. But before we get into the video, please do subscribe to my channel if you're new here. My goal is to reach 5,000 subscribers. That would be literally insane. And don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked it, because then I will know and I can do more for you guys. So yeah, what I'm going to review for you today is the highlighting palette in Cleopatra's Kiss. I've got the face contour kit in medium, which I actually think I have a review on this on my channel from like 5 years ago. And then I'm also going to be reviewing the Blush by 3 palette, which is in the colour Pink Lemonade. The reason why I'm going to re-review this is because I haven't used it since then. And I think it would be great to just pop it in this video with the other palettes as well. So yeah, I've done my base. What I've got on is foundation, concealer, and I've put my eyebrows on and some powder. I'm going to go in and do a bit of eyeshadow, and I'm actually going to be using the contour kit. So I'm going to be using the contour shade in that, because I know like when I was younger I didn't have a lot of money, so I literally used like one thing for everything. I used the bronzer for like bronzing, eyeshadow, contouring my nose, like literally everything. So the face contour kit I've got in the shade medium, so it has a matte like a matte contour shade and then a shimmery highlight shade. I think they come in 3 different shades, but I'll double check for you guys. So yeah, it comes in 3 different shades. It comes in light, medium and dark, and they retail between like £5 and £7. So it comes in this super cute little compact, which is very sleek and it looks very expensive. And then this is what the shades look like inside. So the contour shade is a little bit bigger than the, oh sorry guys, than the highlight shade. And the contour shade is very matte and it's very brown. It's a really nice brown. It's like neutral. It's not too like red undertone. It's not too like dark, like a cold blue undertone. And the highlight, it doesn't look that shimmery in the palette, but I'm not actually going to use this highlight shade. I'm going to use a different highlight shade, but I'll show you guys a swatch. So yeah, it doesn't look very shimmery, but a lot of highlighters look a lot more shimmery once they're on. So I'm going to use some of the contour on my eyes as eyeshadow. I'm going to be using these 2 brushes. One's a flat, one's a fluffy. What I remember about this contour is that it's very pigmented. Now I'm going to contour, and I'm pretty sure I'm using the like exact same brush that I used a few years ago in the other review video. But yeah, I'm just going to contour and I'm going to see how that goes on. It picks up like a lot of product comes off on the brush, which is good. Yeah, it's very pigmented. I think I'm going in too like heavy-handed. So that's the contour done. What do you guys think? I really like it. I think I remember when I was younger loving this contour because I could get that really like look, and it wouldn't look like cakey, and it looks like a really nice colour for my skin tone. Like, look at that. Yeah, I'm a big fan of that. The only thing I would say is it's so pigmented and it's quite a dark shade, so it has got a little bit patchy over here, but that is like solely my fault because I'm so heavy-handed. I could try and balance it out, but it's fine. Okay, so now I'm going to use the blush palette. It's in the shade Pink Lemonade, and it's got 3 different shades. So it's got Pink Mint, Macaroon and Icing Sugar. It says that it includes 3 complementary shades, each designed with its own distinctive finish. Pink Lemonade consists of 1 cream and 2 shimmer highlighted and 2 shimmer highly pigmented blushes. So I'm not going to use the cream because I'm really not used to using a cream colour, and I don't really know how that's going to work right now, but I'm going to use 1 or 2 of the powder shades. So the shades are quite like, one's an orangey shade and one's like a nice pinky shade with goldy undertones. So this one is Pink Mint, this one is Macaroon, and this one is Icing Sugar. I think I'm gonna like Icing Sugar. It's really pretty, peachy orangey colour. So the blush palettes retail at around £6 to £10, which is really good, as you get 3 different shades. And I know you can get 3 shades without the cream contour, because I used to have that one as well. Not in this shade, like in a different one. That's the swatches of the blushes next to each other. And then that's them there in my hand. Ooh. This is the more orangey one. This is the one that I'm going to use. And that one is called Icing Sugar. these are quite pigmented again, which is really, really good, but a lot of blushes that I have right now, I'm like rubbing my brush in because it's just so not pigmented, or maybe it's just a bit light for me, but this one is really, really pretty. Really nice. It's a really good shade for me. So it is a little bit shimmery, but not like crazy. This is so pretty. Really, really nice. Really, really like this color. It's really good for my skin tone as well. Like you can see it. It shows up. Overall, it just looks like quite a matte blusher with just a little bit of something, so it doesn't take away too much from your highlighter. But yeah, what do you guys think of that color? I didn't read what it said on the back of the blush packet. So it does say Pink Lemonade consists of, Pink Lemonade consists of 1 cream and 2 shimmer highly pigmented blushes, which is true because it is highly pigmented. Ideal for touch-ups throughout the day, set in a mirrored compact. So that's a lot about what Sleek brand is about. It's about being sleek, it's about being compact, it's about being easy to use. So if you look at these 2 little palettes, that's like blush, contour, highlight all in one, and it's so tiny, they're so thin, you can bring these around with you everywhere. The colours are highly pigmented, so you can literally just swish, swish, and then you're topped up, you're done. I'm really loving this look so far. So everything on my face right now is sleek makeup, except for my concealer, which is directly under my eyes. But yeah, I'm loving this, especially for the price that it is. £8, £5, incredible. So now I'm going to use the highlight palette, and that retails between £6 and £10, depending where you're buying it from. But first of all, let's look at this packaging. It's amazing, minus the fingerprints all over it that I've just put on there. So gorgeous. I love it. It's like a bright gold mirrored look, so you can also use it as a mirror. Nice. So what you get inside is, and I like the fact that there's loads of options inside the palettes. Like it's not just all one thing, it's not just all cream or powder or shimmer or matte. It's a lot of mixtures. So this actually does come with a little brush, but I took it out because I don't really use those brushes. It's like one of the little thin ones, which is good if you are on the go. You can actually top it up. It would work for a top up, but not for like an initial highlight, I don't think. So yeah, again, this comes with 2 cream highlighters, like a deep gold, a light gold, and 2 powders. I've got like a peachy one and like a bronzy gold. I think I'm gonna, oh, I don't know. Let me swatch them first for you guys. So there are the 4 shades. These end 2 are the cream shades, and then these 2 are the powder shades. So those are the swatches of the highlighters, and this camera does not do them justice. They are so shimmery and gorgeous. The top 2 are the cream ones, and the bottom 2 are the powder ones. The cream ones actually look more pigmented to me swatch than in the palette, but I'm just not good with mixing like powders and creams. I might maybe use a beauty blender and try it that way. I'm really not too sure. I'm gonna go in with the powder first, see how that goes, and see how confident I'm feeling afterwards. So the only thing I would say about these is they're quite small, so although because they're small, you get so many options. My brush is like as big as 2, so it's gonna be hard to just get it into one, but I guess I could just do that or that. It's not gonna be that hard. I'm gonna go in with the goldy shade, the powder one, right on the top in the corner. Oh, whoa. Gotta be careful. So gorgeous and pigmented. Oh shit. It's like really pigmented. Look at that. Oh my Jesus. Gonna put this one down my nose as well. That is insane. Look at that, guys. Look at that. What do you guys think? So stunning. It looks really, really pretty. I really like that. I am going to go in with a cream one, but I'm going to use a beauty blender. I don't really mind that my face will look a little bit different. Or I could just, I'm going to go in with the gold cream to kind of match the gold, trying to match the gold powder. Don't know if I'm doing this right. Ooh, that's nice. It's a lot more subtle than the other side. So if you guys, this is the cream one, and then that is the powder one. They both look really, really pretty. I think I actually prefer this side, like on camera, it looks gorgeous. Yeah, this side looks really nice and like natural. So if you're looking for like a more natural look, I would suggest using the beauty blender in one of the cream ones. But if you want like a like a sheen, like glow, oh my god, then you're gonna want to use the powders because they are so pigmented. What I'm gonna do is just go over with the powder on this side just so they balance out, but I just wanted to like review it for you guys. whoa, actually putting the cream on first and then the powder on second has actually made it look so stunning. Better than this side. A lot better. It looks a lot more natural. Obviously it's not, but you know what I mean. Looks a little bit more blended out, like it's just meant to be there. Like I am loving, loving, loving this. What side do you guys prefer? This side? Or this side? I think I'm loving this side, gotta say. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. Guys, this is the finished look. What do you think? I am in love with the palettes, like the blusher, the highlighter, the contour. I think it's literally so, so nice. So pigmented for the price. I'm really loving like the options that you get in the palettes as well. I know they have so many other colors of the blusher palette and the highlight palette as well, so if you guys want a different tone, a different shimmer, then there's lots to choose from. Guys, this is the finished makeup look. Can you believe my full face is literally like a drugstore? The whole thing is pretty much just sleek makeup apart from the concealer. You would never think that I'm wearing like £5 blusher, £6 highlighter, and not only is it so affordable that you get so many different options in the palette, I'm really digging the cream highlight with the powder highlight on top. Oh my lord, I'm gonna be doing that a lot from now on. It was literally the most gorgeous color. It's this side of my face, guys, like look how nice it is. Super, super pretty, super, super affordable, and I'm loving the brand. I'm loving that it's all inclusive. It has so many different shades. So yeah, guys, there'll be links down below for where you can buy the palettes yourself. I'm gonna post some pictures on Instagram as well of the final look, but I think it's absolutely stunning. What do you guys think? I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Have you guys tried the palettes out before? What do you guys think? I think my favorite thing is the highlighter. 100% the highlighters are incredible. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up before you leave. And again, my subscriber goal for this year is to reach 5,000. That would be so incredible. So please subscribe before you go. I would love that. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.